here I am. We're gonna open up these boxes because you see here I got these nice glass front kitchen cabinet doors, and I tried putting them onto some cheap cabinets from frickin' Lowe's, and that didn't frickin' work. You know, they didn't fit. They proportions were all wrong. So then, you know, the company I ordered these from said, you know, like, hey, we make frickin' cabinets too, and frickin' so, hey, look, here, I ordered some. Frickin' took a couple more weeks, frickin' blah, 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 blah. The FedEx guy frickin' dropped them on the frickin' front porch like they were dirt. You know, I mean, just plop. But at least they shipped them with some nice corners, and, you know, they seem to tape it up real nice. Like, that's not bad. That looks like, yeah, I'm gonna have to pull out some wood clamps and oops. Man, that's real wood. That's not no freaking MDF or nothing. That's real wood. It's been routed and look, I get little shelves. I mean, I'm guessing those are the shelves. Yeah, that's the right cross section. That's a shelf. That's a shelf. A top. A bottom. Well, one way or the other. Bottom, top, top, bottom, 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 top, 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 bottom, bottom, bottom. I don't know which way you gotta go with the bottom. Anywho. Right, because you see it'll fit in there. Top or bottom. Bottom or top. Plans. Assembly instructions. Wall cabinet. Metal brackets. Says needs a screwdriver and rubber mallet. And freaking look. You assemble it. And they got some basic instructions. Freaking that's not freaking hard. I mean, freaking they say freaking you just assemble it with the freaking putting stuff together and then freaking screwing stuff and then pressure holds everything, but freaking most people would freaking say you also glue it, right? Because who wouldn't want to be a, you know, you don't be a fool and not glue it. Aha, here's our face that I want so I can check my door against, right? See, that's the door with the face of the cabinet. Oh man, let me open this up without cutting it. Okay, see, that's the face of the cabinet. And that's the door, right? So, is it the same as this door? Oops, I got that the wrong way. My bad. See, they're the same size. And then when you pull them apart for reveal, oh, the hinges are in the same place. Yes! That means that when I assemble these cabinets, I can put these doors on here, and I can have glass doors. Well, I got them wrapped in plastic, so they're not as see-through as they should be, but you get my point. Yay! I'm happy. That means that all I gotta do is assemble these things, which I will be doing later, not right now, because I have to get wood glue and I have to get my clamps and everything, and you know, you clean up, you set up your, I'm gonna have to get sawhorses or something, I'm gonna have to get other things, and I'm gonna have to, it'll be okay, and then I can assemble everything, and course, got everything here. And then we get rid of this here. Out of the way, right? Out of the way. And then you take your various different parts and you assemble them how it says to be assembled. It's almost like a comic book. Assembling instruction. I don't know. It's like freaking making a superhero team or something. I don't know. I'm being stupid because freaking, I don't know. I just feel like it. I mean, who really cares? Hey, look, it's pre-drilled. Where the little brackets would freaking put everything together. So, you know, you just put some glue in the channels. Put the different pieces together. Freaking little brackets, some clamps, some this, that, the others. You know, that's a whole different thing, right? That's a... Because what? Yeah. Where did I put, where did I put those? Okay, so you have the, boy, isn't that a monkey? Side, back, ooh. Aha, I get it. Back, back. See? Doesn't take me long. I'm not even looking at the instructions. Oh! My bad. Let's try that again. It didn't stand up on its own. See, they go together just like so. Plop. That seems to be some nice. Yep, look at that. That's nice. Look at that. That's what I say is look at that. In like 2 seconds, I assembled part of it, right? And that's basically how they say to assemble it. And then there's the whole deal of like, you know, the face goes on like that. You know, your shelves go in like so. Right? And then your door goes on. Like, ta-da! Look at that, I just made a cabinet without actually putting anything together. How about that? You know, in the next installment of my video here, you know, I'll probably be actually assembling this or something like that. I don't know if this isn't good enough, you know, like you guys interested in seeing me assemble the cabinet, you know, with the glue and just, you know, screwing it together? I mean, I don't know. I mean, this to me freaking tells you freaking basically what you need to know about this little cabinet that I got off of Amazon and freaking how easy it is. You know, like, don't feel like you need a lot of confidence in your abilities to build one of these things. They've done most of the legwork. They give you the instructions. They've made everything precise. They give you the supplies for the most part. You know, you can choose to add glue. You know, I mean, it's, you know, not hard to do. I mean, we all played with glue in school, hopefully. I mean, I don't know, some people haven't in a long time, so. But that's, yeah. Bing, bang, boom. Cabinet. So, I keep forgetting this. If you feel like you like me, don't forget to subscribe. Later.